Ticks slow, but my heart races fast. Underneath the stars, I'm lost in the past. In a crowded room, but you're all I see. Dancing shadows cast dreams, just you and me, close enough to touch. The world fades away, wish you were here. I just want you to stay. Heartbeat sings to the rhythm of tonight. Every whispered promise pulling me tight. Your laughter lingers like a melody sweet. Here in this moment, it's you that I need. I want you here tonight. Let the stars align. Underneath this glow, let your heart be mine. Every flicker, every spark, it's our time to shine. Just one dance with you and the world feels right. I want you here tonight. I want you here tonight. I want you here tonight. Every whisper flows like waves on the shore. Pull me near, take my hand, let's dance a little more. In the rhythm of the night, our shadows entwined. Lost in this moment, let our souls rewind. Heartbeat sings to the rhythm of tonight. Heartbeat sings to the rhythm of tonight. Every whispered promise pulling me tight. Your laughter lingers like a melody sweet. Here in this moment, it's you that I need. I want you here tonight. Let the stars align. Underneath this glow, let your heart be mine. Every flicker, every spark, it's our time to shine. Just one dance with you and the world feels right. I want you here tonight. I want you here tonight. I want you here tonight. Let's forget the clock, just feel the beat. Your heartbeat against mine, love is bittersweet. In this electric feeling, sparks fly and ignite. We are timeless, we are infinite in this night. I want you here tonight. Let the stars align. I want you neath this glow, let your heart be mine. Every flicker, every spark, it's our time to shine. Just one dance with you and the world feels right. I want you here tonight. I want you here tonight. I want you here tonight. Soft whispers linger as the stars fade slow, but I hold this moment in my heart, it will grow. I want you here.